Whether you make videos, stream, or even do Zoom calls and want crystal clear audio, the DJI Mic 2 is a game changer. It's a wireless microphone system that makes your voice sound clean and professional wherever you are. It comes with two transmitters and one receiver, all stored in this compact charging case that keeps all of your devices charged up and ready to go. The setup, plug and play, just connect the receiver itself to your camera, phone, computer, and you're ready to go. The sound quality is super clear and it even works from a long distance without cutting out. I also love that it has onboard recording on the actual transmitters itself. So even if the camera fails, you still get your audio regardless. The actual magnetic clips make it super easy to attach the mics to your shirt. It also has this very strong clip as well. This is the magnets. The battery life is great and long. So if you are shooting, long videos or interviews, you can be sure to be without stress about that. So if you are looking for something that, gives you professional audio without the hassle of the wires and complicated gear, the DJI Mic 2 is definitely worth it.